How to save a PowerPoint. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can save a PowerPoint presentation. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your PowerPoint presentation. So simply open up your PowerPoint and this is what you should see. Now select, you can start creating any PowerPoint. You can start with a blank presentation. You can start with any other, already present presentations or, formats. I'll just open up this one. And after you're here to save a PowerPoint presentation, what you'll have to do is simply head over to the file option on the top left. After you tap on that, there you'll see an option that says Save As right here. Select that, and after you've selected Save As, you can simply select to just name this, you know, simply name this into something else or create a name for your presentation and then start saving. Else, you can tap on this More option, and after you tap on the More option section, you will find, the folder where you want to save this. So you can save it to whichever folder that you want. You can save it to desktop as well. Then tap on this Save button and the presentation will be saved. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.